My name's Clyde, and welcome to a new shoe care video. Look, I'm too old for this. These are my son's shoes, but I still don't get why it's such a big deal to clean them. Yeah, maybe you think it's too much work, or that your mom's gonna kick you out if you start scrubbing them in the kitchen or bathroom. But hey, let me show you how it's done. You see that? I'm still talking, and it's already working, almost by itself. So, what you need is a cleaning foam. This stuff is perfect for surfaces like these Nikes. Absolute game changer. You don't need to soak them in water and make a mess. Just take this outside, on the stairs, in front of the house, or even in the basement if you want. Leave your mom out of it, okay? Use a soft brush like this, and boom, clean in no time. Even a little kid could do this. Then just wipe them down with a clean cloth. I recommend microfiber. You probably have one at home. Dry them off, got it? Like when you step out of the shower. You do dry off every day, right? Or nah? This was the easiest thing in the world, bro. Even if you stop right here, you're already a legend, and your kicks don't look like you fished them out of a dumpster. But you can take it even further. White rubber soles. Who the hell thought that was a good idea? Everyone knows they're gonna be dirty, all the time, looking like you ran a marathon through a mud pit. Well, guess what? The guys at Saphir know it too. That's why I've got this brand new bad boy right here, Saphir Intense Sole Cleaner. And yeah, you probably wouldn't expect it, but this stuff is made specifically for rubber soles. And it's a real cleaner. But for this job, you're gonna need a slightly tougher brush. Something like this. Just spray a little, scrub it in, and boom. Look at that. And you were so scared of this, huh? And now feast your eyes on this. Do I even need to say anything? Just look at it. Fire. Just repeat that everywhere, bro. Simple as a slap in the face. One more thing, bro. The longer you leave those shoes dirty, the harder it's gonna be to clean them later. Seriously, just do it regularly from the start. It cost you a fortune, right? When I buy a new car, I'm all over it with a cloth like a maniac. I want it to stay nice for as long as possible, don't I? Then you can fine-tune the details if you're a perfectionist like me. You can repeat all these steps if needed, but trust me, these Saphir tools work like a charm. Seriously, they get the job done. Okay? All right, now you're gonna look like a total badass. Throw on some nice baggy jeans, or whatever's in style these days. Doesn't really matter. Old Clyde's all about the shoes anyway. You can even hit it with some conditioner. Jeez, that sounded like something girls buy for their hair, huh? Yo, I've got way more where that came from. But in return, all I want from you is a like, comment, or subscribe. Did you like it? Did you hate it? Let me know. Thanks. Yours, Clyde.